Good afternoon and welcome to this session on using drone technology to innovate in healthcare. My name is Dr. Jamie Hogg and I'm a member of the Innovation Hub team in NHS Grampian. I'm a hospital clinical director and GP, and the Innovation Hub in Grampian is hosting this session. Hazel Dempsey, who's the program manager, will be curating your questions and collecting together questions for the Q&A at the end. So just to put a bit of context in here, the reason that we're meeting today is that Hazel and I have had wide-ranging discussions across the north of Scotland around this question of how could you use drones to innovate in our healthcare systems. And we've seen an enormous amount of interest in this. It has developed over the last few months into a conversation that has spread wider and wider and involved more and more groups. Often in innovation, they ask us to look for a problem and then seek solutions from innovators. And quite often a solution is proposed to us that doesn't actually have a problem. And this tends to make the innovation stall. You could say that with drones, there is a solution here, but what's the problem that we're trying to solve with drones? And it's a bit more nuanced than that, I think. There's a chicken and egg aspect to this, which is why we've invited the group of presenters that we have. If there was an existing infrastructure for drone delivery in Scotland, then the use cases from the NHS would be a lot easier to articulate and bring to the fore. So today you'll hear 5-minute presentations from people who have been involved in flying drones in the healthcare arena over the last few months, one of them in Scotland and 2 teams from down south in England. And we hope that from their presentations and from some discussions with the UK Catgapult, from Connected Places Catgapult, who you'll hear from Andrew Chadwick in a minute, we hope to get some good questions and answer session at the end, and then lead on to developing some workshops in the new year, which will bring a collaboration and a clustering of people together. So without more ado, I'd like to introduce Andrew Chadwick, who's the Aviation Technology Initiative Manager at the Connected Places Catgapult. And he's going to talk about the Government Drones Pathfinder Programme and the use of drones in healthcare. Thank you, Andrew.